My story as a mechanic starts in 2015. I got a job at a shop as an apprentice, and the owner of the shop taught me the basics of automotive repair, like removing parts, cleaning the surface, and getting them ready to install the new parts, and removing engines, transmissions, head gaskets, or taking an engine apart and then building it back up, like timing chains, timing belts, all those things. Once I learned the basics, then I started watching videos and taking lessons from technicians like Scanner Danner, GoTech, Southman Auto, and many other technicians and many YouTubers and things like that. But mostly taking lessons online in order to like become a technician. I didn't go to an automotive repair school because I think that you can learn to be a technician, not just a mechanic, but a technician, without going to school. You do have to get education, no questions about that, but you can get educated nowadays like through online lessons and working for a shop. If you can get a job at a shop as an apprentice, you can do that, and that's how I did it, and that's how I'm doing it. I don't know everything. I only have 5 to 6 years of experience, and so I don't know everything, and there are things that I still don't understand, and mostly electrical things. After a year working as an apprentice, I got a job at a different shop, so I went to work there for another year, and then I quit that job at that shop to go start a real estate business because I was interested in real estate. But then that business failed big time, and I lost money in that deal. Then I took some auto repair work from my friends to have some income coming in, because I didn't have any income coming in the real estate business, and my savings were draining really quick, and so I was taking these auto repair jobs just to keep working on my real estate business. That was the plan. But then I looked at my calendar was full like 2 weeks ahead. My calendar was full 2 weeks ahead, and so I didn't have time to work on the real estate business. Then I thought about it, and I came to the conclusion that it was time to just let that real estate business go and focus on being a mobile mechanic, because I saw a business there. So I started taking jobs as a mobile mechanic. I started out with my 2004 convertible to Chrysler Sebring, and I would put my tools in the trunk and in the back seat, and then go to people's houses and fix their cars. And also my friend, my landlord at the time, which is my friend, he borrowed me his garage for, well, I paid him about $50 a month for the garage, so I could replace like transmissions and engines and head gaskets and like bigger jobs like that. And after a while I realized that engines and transmissions, bigger jobs like that, take too much time. It wasn't profitable for me, so I let that go, and I didn't do more bigger jobs. Then I just focused on maintenance and going to people's houses and fixing their cars. That was much easier and not much headache to me, and so I did that. I focused on that, and so now I don't do engines and transmissions. A year later, I got in an accident with my 2002 Chrysler Sebring, and so I used my 2004 Chrysler Sebring for work to take my tools, but then my tools wouldn't fit in the Chrysler Sebring anymore, and so I bought a 2002 Chevy Express 3500, and that has a lot of space, and so now it's full of tools. I will make a video on that topic alone in the future. I've been a mobile mechanic for about 3 years now, and business is good. I have work every day, and it's paused a little bit because of the coronavirus crisis that we're going through, but I do have work lined up. It's just that I don't want to go out there and get sick and then infect my customers, my family, my friends, and so I took a decision to not work for at least two weeks. Since the governor of Washington issued an order to stay home for about 2 weeks, and so I'm waiting for that to be over, and then I start working again. But we'll see what happens. But I do have work as a mobile mechanic, so I think that mobile mechanics will always have work no matter what, because we do have cars, and it's like it's like people. We go to the hospital every day. People go to the hospital every day, and so cars go to automotive repair shops every day. And so I get called because I'm a car doctor. I know that'd be good nickname. Being a self-employed auto mechanic gives me the flexibility to take like any day off I want. If I get sick, I can take a day off. I just have to cancel my appointment for sure, but I can take any day off, and I can take those decisions. And it also gives me the flexibility to like excel in my business, like, or because it's up to me if I want to grow the business or not grow the business. It's up to me, and so there is no one like holding me being at a position for years. So that's why I like being a mobile mechanic. And to end this video, I want to say that I'm very thankful with the shop owner that took me in as an apprentice, because I learned everything and now I have a business and I make a living doing that. Thank you. I'm very thankful for that. If maybe he watches this or not, but I'm very thankful for real, like honest. Alright, that's my short story as to how I started my journey as a mechanic and how I started my mobile mechanic business. I've been a mechanic for about 5 to 6 years now, and I've been a mobile mechanic for about 3 years now. So it's growing and it's great, and I like it, and I'm very thankful with my customers for that. Alright, if you like this video, hit the I like it button. If you don't like this video, then hit the I don't like it button. And also subscribe to my channel, Wrench Link, on YouTube, and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok at Wrench Link. Also comment on this video any questions you want to ask me, and see you next time.